Entered too many times wrong passwords and your iPhone says iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes? In today's video, we will introduce 3 methods for you. First method is to use iTunes to restore your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Quickly press volume up and volume down buttons. And hold the power button to put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes. It will pop up a window reads there is a problem with your iPhone. Click Restore. The second method is to use iCloud to erase your iPhone. Sign into iCloud. Click Find My. Tap all devices. And pick your disabled iPhone. Select Erase iPhone. And confirm. The third method is to use PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Open PassFab iPhone Unlocker, pick Unlock Lock Screen Passcode and click Start. Quick press the volume up button and the volume down button. And hold the power button until the screen shows connected to iTunes. Download the firmware. Click Start Unlock. Now, you can reset your iPhone as a new one.